This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sweet potatoes. First, let's talk about roasting them whole. Begin by washing and scrubbing your sweet potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, pierce the skin several times with a fork to allow steam to escape during cooking. Place them directly on a baking sheet and roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until very tender. For a quicker and more versatile option, try roasting sweet potatoes in cubes. First, peel your sweet potatoes and cut them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, toss the cubes with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they are tender and slightly caramelized. Mashed sweet potatoes are a delicious and comforting side dish. Start by peeling your sweet potatoes and cutting them into 1-inch pieces. Place them in a pot of salted water and bring to a boil. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. Drain the water thoroughly. Then, mash the cooked sweet potatoes with 2 tablespoons of butter and about 1/4 cup of milk or cream until smooth and creamy. Season to taste. Who doesn't love crispy sweet potato fries? Begin by cutting your sweet potatoes into uniform 1/4-inch thick fries. For extra crispiness, toss them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and a dash of paprika. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy them as a tasty snack or side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.